Frog meat, also known as frog legs, is a delicacy in many countries around the world. It is a low-fat, high-protein meat that can be cooked in a variety of ways, from fried to stewed. Here are some more details about the dishes made with frog meat and how to calculate their calories. Fried frog legs. Fried frog legs are a popular dish that is usually served as an appetizer or a main course. The meat is coated in a seasoned batter and deep-fried until crispy. A serving of fried frog legs typically contains around 200 to 250 calories, depending on the size of the portion and any additional ingredients used. Frog leg stew. Frog leg stew is a hearty and flavorful dish that is perfect for cooler weather. The meat is slowly simmered in a broth with vegetables, such as carrots, potatoes, and onions. A serving of frog leg stew typically contains around 300 to 350 calories, depending on the size of the portion and any additional ingredients used. Grilled frog legs. Grilled frog legs are a healthier alternative to fried frog legs. The meat is marinated in a mixture of herbs and spices and then grilled over high heat until cooked through. A serving of grilled frog legs typically contains around 150 to 200 calories, depending on the size of the portion and any additional ingredients used. Frog leg salad. Frog leg salad is a light and refreshing dish that is perfect for summertime. The meat is marinated in a mixture of herbs and spices and then grilled or boiled until cooked through. It is then sliced and served on a bed of greens, such as arugula or spinach. A serving of frog leg salad typically contains around 150 to 200 calories, depending on the size of the portion and any additional ingredients used. Variations. While the basic preparation of frog meat involves frying, stewing, grilling, or serving it in a salad, there are many variations of the dishes that incorporate different flavors and ingredients. Some recipes may use a variety of herbs and spices, such as rosemary or thyme, to add additional flavor to the meat. Others may add a variety of sauces or marinades, such as lemon, garlic, or soy sauce. Frog meat is a lean and healthy source of protein that is enjoyed in many countries around the world. When serving frog meat dishes, it is important to pair them with healthy sides and toppings, such as roasted vegetables or a light salad, to balance out the calorie content of the dish. Frog porridge. Frog porridge is a popular dish in many Asian countries. The meat is cooked in a savory broth with rice, ginger, and garlic. A serving of frog porridge typically contains around 200 to 250 calories, depending on the size of the portion and any additional ingredients used. Spicy frog legs. Spicy frog legs are a popular dish in many regions of the world. The meat is marinated in a spicy sauce and then deep-fried until crispy. A serving of spicy frog legs typically contains around 250 to 300 calories, depending on the size of the portion and any additional ingredients used. Frog leg soup. Frog leg soup is a light and refreshing dish that is perfect for summertime. The meat is simmered in a broth with vegetables, such as corn, carrots, and mushrooms. A serving of frog leg soup typically contains around